This video is about integration of nerve messages by spatial summation, and at the end of it, the student will be able to explain how the neuron can integrate simultaneous messages coming from many neurons. So, how does the neuron integrate simultaneous messages coming from many neurons? The second type of integration is the spatial summation, in which case the neuron integrates messages by spatial summation. This is the circuit involved. In this circuit, we can observe many presynaptic neurons and only one postsynaptic neuron. The synapse between each presynaptic neuron and the postsynaptic neuron can be excitatory or inhibitory. This means that the postsynaptic neuron can receive simultaneous EPSP or simultaneous IPSP or simultaneous EPSP and IPSP. In all experiments that we will see, we stimulate simultaneously many presynaptic neurons, and we record the variation of membrane potential at the level of the postsynaptic neuron. Notice that the green spot indicates that the synapse between the presynaptic neuron and the postsynaptic neuron is excitatory, while the violet spot indicates that the synapse is inhibitory. First, we stimulate only one presynaptic neuron, so the postsynaptic neuron records an EPSP. When we stimulate two presynaptic neurons, the EPSP recorded is higher, while when we stimulate three presynaptic neurons or more, the membrane potential increases and becomes more than the threshold of depolarization of the postsynaptic neuron and turns into an action potential. So, in this experiment, we studied the effect of many excitatory synapses between many presynaptic neurons and one postsynaptic neuron. In the second experiment, we will study the effect of many inhibitory synapses on the membrane potential of the postsynaptic neuron. Let's see. As we see in the experiment, the more the number of presynaptic neurons stimulated simultaneously, the more the amplitude of the IPSP recorded is higher. So this is the effect of many inhibitory synapses on the postsynaptic neuron. In the third experiment, certain synapses will be considered as excitatory, while the others will be considered as inhibitory, and let's see the result. As you see, simultaneously, the postsynaptic neuron receives many EPSP and IPSP, and the final recording is considered as an algebraic summation of all EPSP and IPSP. This is the spatial summation.